Hi all, this is a short video in order to explain the Python list traversal. So traversal means it is the procedure of accessing each element in the list and displaying the same at the output console. So for Python list traversal, I'm using the list A. Okay, in my list there are 5 elements. So there are two different methods in order to do this Python list traversal. So the first method is without using range function. Okay, that means we will be using the for loop, but we will not be using the range function. So the syntax is for a looping variable we have to use for x in a. For x in a means x will take each element in the list as its value. So for each element in a, I am printing x value. So if I am running this output, you can see here, it is just printing the elements in each line. So that is one method of list traversal. Now there is one more method using range function. Here we will be using the for loop and range function. So for I range, in range, that means we have to display the elements which are available in the list. That means a task needs to be repeated throughout the end of the list. So the range will be the length of list. So for I in range, len of a will give the length of the list. So the Python built-in method to get the length of or the number of elements in a list is len. So using that len function, we will specify the range. So throughout the end of the list, what we have to do is that we have to access the value at that particular location. See here, I will show you the difference between print x and print I. Okay, I is my looping variable. So print for I in range len of a, if I am printing I, it will just print the index values. That means starting from 0 till length minus 1. I will just make the remaining part as comments so that it will be easy to understand. So if I am running this, you can see it is not printing the elements in the list. It will just print the index value. See 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Since the length of the list is 5, the index will be from 0 to 4. But instead of printing the index values, we have to display the elements at that particular index. For that purpose, instead of printing I, we will print A of I. A of I means the first time I will take the value 0, then A of 0. So A of 0 is 10. Okay, I will run this code. See. So instead of I am giving A of I. If I am giving I means it will just give the values in that particular range. But we have to display the list elements at that particular index position. For that purpose, we are using A of I. So these are the two different methods in order to perform list traversal. Thank you for watching.